Okay, so next here, the test 13.6B, okay, and then exercise this, all these questions, you write it down, okay, pause the video and write it down. This will be your video 2, I think, so video 2 of this chapter, okay, of this exercise rather, of this exercise. The first video is the 13.6A and this one is B, okay. So let us start it and let us do it. Here, I'll start with B5, okay, B5. Now let me read the question for us. It costs rupees 2,200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10 meters deep. If the cost of painting is the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find the inner curved surface area of the vessel. Number 2, radius of the base. Number 3, capacity of the vessel. So let us do this. So there is a cylinder very clearly mentioned. Let's say this is the cylinder. The height of the cylinder is mentioned as 10 meters deep. So the measurement from here to here is 10 meters deep. That means basically the same meaning as height. Then the radius is unknown. So you will know the radius is from here, middle portion, to here. This is unknown. So we can just write down here for the cylindrical vessel that is given to us. For the cylindrical vessel, here R is question mark, is the radius, okay, radius of the vessel. And H is 10 meters, is the, they're using the word deep, so we'll write here depth, okay. Now with this, we have to find the 3 things there. So let us start with this. Now since question says it's first part of the question, it costs rupees, okay, it costs, they wrote like that, it costs rupees 2,200 to paint the inner curved surface, to paint the inside or the inner curved surface, right? Curved surface, okay, at the rate of the vessel, no need to write there. The cost of painting at the rate of, at the last part of the sentence, okay, in the question, rate, at the rate of, here, rupees 20 per meter square. So we just write there rupees 20 per meter square. So this is given in the question. Now we know one formula, that is cost is equal to area into rate. We have used this enough number of times so you are familiar with this, right? So let's use this formula and write down total cost is here, see, rupees 2,200 equal to area is the curved surface. We know the curved surface of cylinder formula by now is 2 pi RH. Into rate is rupees, here you can see rate of, so rupees 20 per means divided by meter square. I'll do slowly by thinking like that. Now if we shift this rupees, it'll go to denominator and cancel this rupees in the numerator. So before cancelling also we know we can cancel therefore. Now let us shift this one this side. It's okay if we keep that side also, but normally we do from left side to right side. So let us just do that the way you are more comfortable with. 22 by 7 2 into R is unknown, H is 10 meters, will be equal to, okay, sorry, will be equal to here, this portion, one more is there, sorry, into 20 here per meter square. This portion done is equal to this one, 2200. So basically we have shifted this one to the left and this one to the right. It's the same meaning, right? Now we can see here meter up to the power 1 cancels this one. 2 minus 1 power is 2, so we can cancel that. And once we are done with that, here see, we can see that nothing else will cancel. So next step is we can shift the values, keep the R on its own side, and this one here 200. Just keep it like that, and then 2 up will come down, 22 will come down, 10 will come down, and here 20 will come down. All the numerators have come down. When you shift to the other side, this down 7 will go up along with this meter. So this is what we get. So we can cancel 1 and 2 zeros. Then here, if you want, you can cancel this here, 22 and 22. That leaves you with 7 by 4. So you write here 7 on the numerator, and down here 2 into 2, 4 meter. So when you divide this, simple division, 4 ones are 4, 3 remain, 0.0, 4 sevens are 28, and 2 remain, point means 0. You can write 4 fives are 20. So your value of the radius is 1.75 meter, and you can write here number 1. They're asking 2, I think this one, 2 radius. So look there into your question. So we have found that one. So this is your number 2 answer. Now let us go to number 1. Inner curved surface area of the vessel. We have to find that. So let us write there. The inner curved surface of the vessel. Surface area means the inner curved surface area of the vessel, the cylindrical shape. And we know formula for curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So we can do that now because we now know R. See here, R is there. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R here is 1.75, and H here in the beginning here 10. So we can just put that value. Area means double dimensional, so meter square. This portion is rough, okay? So here 7 ones are 7. You can do that. Then here 1 is less than 7, so we put 0 point. Then becomes 17. 7 twos are 14. 15, 16, 17. 3 remainder. So 3 will go in front of the 5. 35. 7 fives are 35. Now let us remember this, that here, see, if you multiply this 0 here, the 0 will shift here to the right 1 place because of the 1 0. So 2.5 into 2 is 5. 2.5, 2 fives are 10, plus 1, 5, see, 5. So that is easier to do that first, from here to here to here, done. So 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11, that much meter square. Because this has given you 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11. So that is the answer number 1, inner curved surface area. Finally, number 3, we have to do that. So number 3 is the capacity, I think, capacity of the vessel. Look into your question, and number 3 is saying that, right? So let us find out that. And capacity, in other words, means the volume. So the formula for volume, pi r square h. So here that is 22 by 7. Then R, we have got it from here. So we just put there 1.75 into 1.75 2 times, because R square. H here 10. So we just put that. And then volume is meter cube. So we just put there meter cube. Then we cancel carefully. 7 ones are 7. 0 7 twos are 14. 7 fives are 35. Just like we did here. Same number, right? So here 0.25 again. This multiplied, this 2 multiplied, then 2.5. And then just keep it like that, 2.5. And let us multiply that to this one. 1.75 multiplied to this portion. So this 3 is gone. So 2.5. So let us do that. 5 fives are 25. 37, 8, 10, 15. So 5, 7, 13, and 4. 1, 2, 3. So right from the right, 1, 2, and 3. So we get 4.375 multiplied finally to 22 is what is going to be our answer. So let us do that. So here 2 5s are 10, 15, 7. So same numbers, so 0, 5. This one, so 0, 5, 12, 16 and plus 1, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 96.25. So our answer here will be 96.25. 0 we may or may not put. So the three answers are, we have got it. So that's how we do the first one, B5. Let us go to B6 and let me read the question for us. The capacity of a closed, so keep that word in mind, closed cylinder vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Right before you start this, remember the length conversion that I've been doing in the previous, we have been doing in the previous videos: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, small dm, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, so let me read: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Keep this one because we are finding out that we are going to need these conversion factors every now and then, a good number of times. So we need to keep this in our memory. So let us see what we can do with this. Now B6, let me just draw the cylinder. The cylinder is closed, so remember that. The top is also closed, bottom is also closed. So you may write the word there, closed, to just remember that. And the height is 1 meter, as we read the question very clearly, we remember that. The radius obviously is not given from the middle part here to here. R is yet unknown. So here, for the cylindrical vessel, for the cylindrical vessel that is with us, R is question mark, is the radius, okay, and then H is 1 meter, is the height. We have that with us. Now, they're asking how many square meters. Okay, so for that we need the capacity, its capacity, since question clearly says its capacity. You can read the first sentence of the question is 15.4 liters. Look there into your question and it is written like that. So with this, underline this word, that is capacity means simply volume pi r square h is means equal 15.4 liters. That's what it means, right? Now let us do slowly. And 22 by 7, r square is unknown, h is 1 meter. 15.4 liter means we know one conversion factor here. See here, 1000 centimeter cube, or 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. We have been using this one several times by now, 2-3 times I think at least. So we're going to use this now. So we want to convert the liter to centimeter cube, which is bigger to smaller. So 15.4 will be multiplied to, because when you're changing bigger, you need liter to smaller centimeter cube. We multiply. Smaller to bigger is divide. So if you do that, you're going to get here 1, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 0 means decimal will move 4 places to the right, starting from here. 1, 2, sorry, 3 places, 2 and 3. This much, centimeter cube. Okay. And on the left side, 22 by 7 into r square into 1 meter. Still it doesn't match, you see. Centimeter cube needs to be changed to meter cube to match this meter. So let us do that. Then only then you can simplify together, right? So let us do that without before shifting. 22 by 7 into r square into 1 meter is equal to. Now you want to change centimeter to meter. So look here, centimeter to meter means how many places you're moving left. Yes, 1 to 1 place is 10, next is 10, so 10, 10, 100. So every time it's changing centimeter meter means small to big. Here to big to small, so multiply, but here changing small unit centimeter to big meter, so you need to divide. So 15400 is divided by 100 because you're changing centimeter to meter. But if you check properly, it is actually cube, centimeter cube to meter cube. So if you change centimeter to meter, we know it's divided by 1 to 100. But cube means 3 times, so we have to put here 2 and 3 hundredths. Then only centimeter cube will become meter cube. I hope you're getting it. Then we can cancel this 1, 2, 1, 2. Just keep it like that for some time, and then we may need that, so I've just kept it like that. No need to cancel, waste our time cancelling, I think, because we may need this double 100 because we're getting a square root. So 7 down will go up, 22 up will come down, and this 1 meter also will come down, up will come down. This meter cube will remain on the numerator. These 2 coming down. Then you see 7 2s are 7 1s are sorry, not that one. 7 can't cancel there, sorry. 11 2s are, let us try, 22. 11 1s are 11. And 4 remainder, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 4 remainder, 44. 11 4s are 44. 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. So that is going to exactly match our square root. Square remove means square root over 7 into 7. And here before we go there, meter to the power 1. 3 minus 1, only 2 power left square now. I hope you're getting it right. So divided by 100 into 100 and this meter square. Make sure the root covers properly. Then here 100 by 100. So now it's perfect to remove out of the square root. Double 7, single 7. Double 100, single 100. Double meter, single meter. So that's your radius. Just keep it like that. They are not asking for radius, okay? I think they are not asking. They are asking for how many square sheets of metal would be needed. So this is important to calculate that. You write here, since it is closed. This is the keyword. Because it is closed, square meters of square, okay, let's just use the same language, square meters of metal sheet, okay, metal sheet that would be required, needed, okay, to make this cylinder. Since it is closed, means top also, bottom also met with metal, it will be its total surface area formula. I hope you got it. Because it is closed, we have to use the total surface area. We know that total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r. We know this from our previous videos, right? The formula. So let us calculate that. As you keep on doing that, you will get here, that will be equal to 2 into pi is 22 by 7 and r is, just now we got it now, 7 by 100 into means bracket there, 2 pi r into h is 1 meter. So meter, don't write it, no need to write it. H plus r is again 7 by 100, and at the back you can just put simply meter square. That's why I'm saying don't write inside area, so meter square. Then 7 and 7 can cancel. 2 into 2, 44 by 100. We can cancel, but just keep it because 100 in the end is easy to divide. So just wait and see. Into here, this portion, 100 ones are 100 plus 7 is 107. So simplifying this part, we get 107 on the numerator, and down here is 100. And here meter square. Well, no need to cancel, I think, because hundreds are very easy to divide. So let us save it. Let's multiply these two. 107 into 44. 28, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 10, 7, and 4. So 4708 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 2, 3, 4. So divide means decimal move to left. That's why I'm saying save it, because it's so easy to divide with this zero. So here, start decimal here, go left, because it's dividing. Because of these 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 0.4708, because it will move 4 places, 2, 3, and 4 meters square. So this is the total area of metal sheet that is going to be required. Okay. Now let's go to B7. Okay, let me read the question for us. B7. Here, a lead pencil consists of a cylindrical wood with solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. Diameter of pencil 7 mm, diameter of graphite 1 mm. So let us draw the pencil. Pencil will look something like this. The graphite port is on the inside. This is the long pencil, let us say. So here, this portion graphite is there. The diameter is, I think, 1 mm, if I'm not wrong. Graphite, the inside is the graphite, okay, the inside of the pencil. That one, the interior, and the graphite 1 mm, yes. So right here, the diameter 1 mm means from here to here. The diameter means from here to here. The wooden outside part is 7 mm. So with this, we have to find certain things. So let's just write these units here. And the pencil length from here to here is actually given. So that is 14 centimeter tall. So long, 14 centimeter long, the pencil. So here, small r will represent 1 millimeter divided by 2, because radius is diameter. This is diameter divided by 2 millimeter. Now to match this centimeter, let us change the millimeter to centimeter. So millimeter to centimeter, 1 place left means divide by 10, because you're moving right to left means small to big. Big to small multiply, small to big divide. So divide by only 1 0 means divide by 10 means this will become, well, I mean to say 1 by 2. So we're going to divide means 10 will be in the denominator. So 20 directly, okay. So 1 by 2 millimeter will become, next step, 1 by 20, then no more millimeter, it will become centimeter. Why? To match up with this centimeter, because you cannot solve different units, right? So it will create confusion. So R, this is nothing but, okay, let us mention this one, radius of the graphite part, or the graphite simply, and capital R is equal to, outer diameter is 7, so 7 divided by 2 millimeter, and just as you did for this, it will be 7 divided by 2, and divided by 10 means 20, and centimeter. This is simply the outer radius, that means the wooden part outside radius, okay, outer radius. Now outer radius, if you want to add this word, covering the wood part, if you like to put like that. So you have all the two radius, and the length h is equal to 14 centimeter is the length of the pencil, which means the same idea as the height. Now everything is in centimeter. Now we can use together and answer the question. So number 1, therefore, what is the question asking us? Find the volume of the wood and also that of the graphite. So let us use the smaller one first, graphite. Volume of the graphite will be the inner volume pi small r, therefore square, and length is same h. So that is 22 by 7 into small r here. See, this is 1 by 20. So we write you 1 by 20 into 1 by 22 times, and H here 14. So let us write there. And then volume is 3-dimensional, so we just put here centimeter cube. Now 7 ones are 7, 2s are 14, and 2 10s are 20. So let us not touch this anymore because we know it's very easy to divide 10, 100 and all. Let us also convert this to 10 like so it's easy to divide. 2 10s are 20, 2 same number, 2 1 1. Let's not touch anymore. That will be 11 by 100. Now we know 11 by 100 means decimal will move left because its zeros are in the denominator. So 1 means dividing. So divide means left, 1 and 2. So it will come right in front of the first one. 0.11 centimeter cube is the volume of the graphite part. The question is saying next volume of the wood part. Now you have to be careful. Wood part is not excluding the graphite. This is graphite. This portion is the wood. So let us do that. Volume of the wood. Our answer is volume of whole pencil, everything including the graphite and the wood together, minus volume of graphite. Common sense, right? We can easily understand this one. See here, volume of the wooden part will be whole pencil minus the graphite. Now whole pencil is pi big capital R square. Length inside also outside also in cylinder is always same, right? So H minus volume of the graphite is already we got here 0.11 centimeter cube. So here 22 by 7 into capital R is here 7 by 20. So we write that 2 times because it's R square, and here 14 centimeter cube because volume is 3-dimensional. See, 14 and minus, let us not forget that 0.11. Nothing to solve here, just wait. Then here again 7 2s are 14, 2 10s are 20. Now don't touch that anymore. 2 10s are 20. Now it's very good to divide. 2 into 11, 22. That's all. So here now 11 7s are 77. Multiply to this 7, 49, 49. 7 7 49, 53. So 539. This part divided by 20 means 1 and 2, so it will become 5.39. I'm doing directly now because you're comfortable with it. Minus 0.11 centimeter cube. So it's just a matter of subtracting these two. So 5.39 minus 0. While subtracting or adding, decimal must be in the same line. Minus, plus and minus. See here, minus. So here 8 and 2.5. Upper sign plus. So volume of the wooden part is 5.28 centimeter cube. This is your second answer. First answer. Okay. One more question. B8. So let us do that. So B8. Let me read the question for us. B8. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 centimeter. If the bowl is filled with soup to the height of 4 centimeter, okay, how much soup should the hospital have to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? So in a cup, there is a diameter, means from here to here is 7 centimeter. The liquid soup is filled to a height of, for each patient, to a height of 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter. So this is the height to which the liquid must be filled. So here, for the soup in the cylindrical, I think they are using the word bowl. The word bowl means simply container. R of that liquid part will be diameter divided by 2, which is 3.5 centimeter is the radius. Then h is equal to 4 centimeter is the height. We are interested only in the part where the liquid covers, okay? So that is the height we have to take. Shape of the liquid will take the shape of the cylinder, so the height of the cylindrical shape liquid, not the hole, because they're not filling up hole obviously, only up to 4. So if this much is given to one patient, how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? So you can write that here. To serve 250 patients daily, D-A-I-L-Y, I think, daily. So amount of soup, okay, that has to be prepared. That has to be prepared, okay, that has to be prepared for one patient. Keep a gap here, and it will be pi r square is volume of the cylindrical shaped liquid for each patient multiplied to the number of patients, 250. So that is our answer. We just need to solve it now. 250 into 22 by 7 into r here 3.5, so we just write there 3.5 2 times into h here is 4, so we just write there 4. Volume is 3 dimensional, so centimeter cube. Then we write here 7 ones are 7 and 0.75 are 35, and we know 0.5 is easy to divide, so let us wait, but this is easier. See, common sense. 25, forget about the 0 for one moment. 25 into 4 means, even in Nagamese, 24 charta, right? 24 charta is 100. Then here 1 0. So 250 into 4 is 1000. Very easy. Let's do that first, therefore. This is gone. Now we know that 0.5 is half. So 0.5 into 22, half of 22 is 11, right? 11. So let us write there 11. This two part 11. This two part makes 11, because 0.5 multiplied to anything makes the other one half. 0.5 into 2, 1. 0.5 into 6, 3. So 0.5 into 22, 11. Then 11 multiplied to 1 here, 11. So this one will become 110. So 1, 2, 3, 4 gone. And now only this one left. So let us write there. Here 1100 and 3.5 multiplied. I did it like that so that no need to multiply the zeros. So just do 5 and 3, 5 and 3, 5, 8 and 3, 5, 8 and 3. So one decimal place. So here, but these two zeros will push it right. So it will become, go right, 1 and 2. So this is 3850 centimeter cube of soup is going to be required. Or if you want to convert this to liter, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So we want to convert to liter, means we're going to convert small to big. So divide by 1000, then 1, 2 and 3. So it will become 3.850 or 85 liters. Any of these two can be your 385. So wait. I think we make a 38500. Yes. Here, see. 3.5, okay, 3.5. So here 25 fours are 100. Yeah, we missed one here, sorry. Let's do once more. 25 fours are 100, so we've tried there 100 and 1 0 here, so 1 0. Then it should have been 3 zeros here, sorry. So now we need a little bit of adjustment here. After we multiply this, we just put these 3 zeros, 1 2 3, then one decimal means here it will be, so it will be 38500, sorry. Please make the slight correction. Centimeter cube. So 1 2 3 means now 1 2 and 3, 38.5. So 30.5 liters. I hope you can make that small adjustment, okay? We missed 1 0 there. So that concludes the portion for test 13.6B, okay?